Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I construct a simple retrieve device for when the boat flips over, it's stuck out there. Now it doesn't go too far. You don't want to drive way out to the middle of a lake. If you do, you'll wait for it to blow to one side before using a device like this. And while we're here, I'll let you know how simple it is. So this right here is a Zipco easy cast reel. It's the kind you just push a button and it reels back in. You push the button and it casts out. Without pushing the button, this is here, but if I push the button, then it reels out. So when using one of these, I'm gonna use a chuck it, a dog ball thrower. And what you do is you mount the reel right here on the dog chuck it, and the ball goes in here. And with this mounted on here, you just push the button and swing it out. So to get the string, to get the fishing line through the ball, I use a simple technique. I took a drill bit, a really fine one, and a small metal tube. I drilled both sides, slid the tube through both sides, ran the fishing wire through, then pulled the tube out. Then, this here's a servo horn. I mean, I have a lot of stuff like this, so I can kind of dispose of stuff like this, but this keeps the wire from coming through. So with the holes here, all I'm gonna do is silicone these holes, zip tie this on, and voila. Now here she is in full elongated beauty. I use the ball that comes with the chuck it because it fits there really well. This is more like a tennis ball, but we also use what are they? T-balls that are solid foam, and they work really well. As you see, I zip tied the reel to the front end of the chuck it thrower so that it ends up like this. So you push the button there. I'm doing this with one hand. Cock it back. You throw it past the boat. You can even flip it over like this if you're right-handed and reel it all in. Reel it on in. But make sure before you cast it out, you push this button, because if not, you'll throw it, the ball will snap the line. Now all I have to do is silicone the ends of the ball, and I'm ready to play today. All right, guys. Now this is what I mean. You push this button here, and that releases it, and you cast it out. And typically you get it right over the boat. I have it flipped over like this, and I'm gonna reel it in on the other side of the boat. This reel is pretty good. I'll do it one more time for you guys. And I like to pick up the ball by going like this. Set the ball on the ground and push down on it like that. Pop the button first, for sure. Pop the button. And you can get even much farther than that. I never was good at sports or throwing shit. I've never been good at chasing guys around the field. I was too busy chasing girls around the field.